Hello and welcome to Mr. Sammy Dodger. Today we'll be carrying on with funny sentences. This is part 2. I've made it much bigger, so I think you might be able to see now, which is annoying as I just discovered it because I'll be doing it for all the other videos as well. Alright, so we're going to do some functions. So def everything, so remember, not everything, don't know what I'm doing. Def everything. I don't know why I called it everything, it's just quite fun. Remember, we have to define the function, otherwise it has no idea what we're talking about. Alright, so pen.clear. Actually, all we need to do then is here, you just need to copy that, and here, command V that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. And then we're going to do pen.write whatever Pazalon, which is then, which is a random thing, plus then cc, which is another random thing, plus sim, which is random, plus a full stop in the string mark. So pen.write, whatever that is, line equals center, font equals courier, make it quite big, so I'm going to make it 60, and it'll be bold so you can see it properly. Pent. Actually, I won't need pent. I'm just going to go straight to wn.bg color random.choice colors. Remember, 2 closing brackets here. You need to notify that, okay? Alright, so I think that is our function. Now we're going to create a while true loop. So while true. I'm going to make a tutorial about while true loops. If you want to have a look at that. wn is going to update. I like to just do that just to make sure. And it's going to listen for keyboard inputs. After we've listened, it needs to say wn.onKeyPress. Now, if we're using Python 2, it's on key, but Python 3 is on key press. It will do everything, quite fun, everything, which is this function. If you press, what do you want? I can use R. And then I'm just gonna do pen.go to 0,0. Now let's have a look at that. If that doesn't work, I will know why. See, your funny sentences are: Alex poos on a computer. Toby poos on a poo. Grace eats a boy called Liam. Alex eats a telephone. Alexia poos on our TV. Alex punches a computer. Alexia lives in a boy called Liam. Alex eats a boy called Liam. Toby punches a football. Toby kicks a poo. Toby kicks a football. Toby eats a gift card. Grace eats a TV. Every time I'm pressing R, by the way. Grace kicks a telephone. Alex poos on a football, and so on. So just keep pressing R to change it. And there we go. We have our funny sentences .py because I made it's called funny sentences .py at the end. Alright, we've created that. Hope to see you later. Bye for now.